Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer bread. First, you'll need to gather a few basic ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. This incredibly simple recipe doesn't require any special techniques or yeast proofing, making it perfect for beginners. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a warm, flavorful loaf with a delightful crust and soft interior. It's a fantastic addition to any meal or a wonderful snack on its own. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of self-rising flour with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can easily make it by adding 1½ teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt per cup of all-purpose flour. Next, slowly pour in 1 12-ounce bottle or can of your preferred beer. Mix gently until the ingredients are just combined. Overmixing can make the bread tough. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, lightly grease a standard 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Carefully pour your beer bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. For an extra golden crust, you can melt 2 tablespoons of butter and drizzle it over the top before baking. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your delicious beer bread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. This helps it set and makes slicing easier. Serve it warm with butter, honey, or your favorite spread. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or frozen for longer enjoyment. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.